Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the watch crystal and preparing the case. This prevents wasted effort and new damage. Once done, clean thoroughly and mask the bezel and crown so you only touch the glass. Next, choose the right abrasive for the material. Acrylic tolerates coarser compounds, while mineral glass needs cerium oxide and sapphire usually requires diamond paste. Begin with light, controlled pressure and circular strokes. You're removing peaks of the scratch rather than digging a deeper groove, which is why material choice matters. Once paste is prepared, apply small dots across the scratch and start polishing with a felt wheel or soft cloth. Keep power tools at low speed to avoid heat buildup. Make short, steady passes and maintain a light touch so you remove only the damaged layer. Pause every 30 to 60 seconds to rinse and inspect under bright light. If the scratch fades, switch to a finer abrasive to refine the finish. Repeating stages prevents over-polishing and preserves the original curvature and clarity of the crystal. You finish by buffing with a microfiber and a non-abrasive polish to restore gloss and remove haze. Make sure to clean all residues from edges and under the bezel. Inspect at multiple angles and in bright light. Light scratches should now be effectively reduced, and the surface should match surrounding clarity. If a deep gouge persists or you notice distortion, stop. This indicates material removal limits have been reached, and you should consult a watchmaker for crystal replacement to avoid compromising water resistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.